Hi guys, I am out here with this sugar baby watermelon, and you could see from the thumbnail or the screenshot, this is now how I have tied it with the knee high, and I just really just got it halfway through that knee high and brought it around and tied it up. And I wanted to make sure that I moved this stem first, and then I put the knee-high by the metal part of this trellis so that it would not restrict the vine at all. I did double knot this. This is not a good picture. Hang on just a second. So I did double knot this, but it's hanging very loosely. So the knot is tight, but the rest of it is loose so that it can grow and expand in there. It's going to get to about 9 pounds. I've got a couple over here started. Hopefully they were pollinated. This one I thought was going to be good, but I had to go ahead and cut that because it is pretty much cracked down the middle. And you can see I've got another one starting right here, and it's really easy to tell the females. Let me find where that's at, right here on these melons. So I sort of just draped it across here so that when this actually opens, I can come out and pollinate this, but it's closed at the moment. Now, you want to take your male plants, which are the ones that look like this, that have no bump. If they have a little bump or what looks like a little mini watermelon, like what we just seen right here, okay, that's the female. So you would just take one of these little males, take the leaves off, and just rub the stamen that has the pollen in the middle of that flower. And then you can self-pollinate. Now I'm over here with these little tiny cantaloupes. These are one of 2 of the French varieties. I have looked over these things. They are impossible to find a female on here. I don't know if this is why this is such a rare seed, since it's difficult to pollinate, to grow, to get any melons at all. I have not seen one melon on this thing so far, so I'm actually pretty irritated with it. So here, same thing, little mini muskmelon, cantaloupe, whatever you want to call it. I did go through here and I cut off a lot of the leaves so that hopefully the bees can find them and do what they need to do and help me out, because I certainly am not seeing the difference between a female and a male here. So I'm finding these actually pretty irritating. I might not grow these again. I do, however, love the trellis. I think maybe I might just put the trellis in the front instead of in the back here with the corn in it, because it might be too much to where the pollinators really can't find them to help me out with these cantaloupe. And I think that maybe I'll try a different cantaloupe, because if I can grow a sugar baby watermelon that's 9 pounds on this trellis,